The Games app is one of two new apps that Apple has released with its latest software. And the Games app essentially is an app store for games, a digital GameStop, for example. When you scroll down, you can see a list of the games that you've played. I'm not sure why Apple News is included in this. Maybe there is a game that you can unlock if you are a paid Apple News user. But all of these other games here are games I've downloaded from the App Store prior to iOS 26. We scroll down a little bit further, we can see the games that our friends are playing, and we can also see the top played games. If you have an Apple Arcade subscription, you can see the top Apple Arcade games here, and you can browse based on the type of games that you typically play. There's also this events tab, and this is going to be useful for games like Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links that have special events. And then these are recommendations from Apple. At the bottom, you can see Arcade. This is basically just Apple Arcade here, and you can see all of the Apple Arcade games. You can tap on friends. This will be your list of friends and what they are playing. There is a puzzle game in Apple News, so that was why it displayed in the home screen. Then you can see like the friends and groups, and you can add friends. You can view their achievements similar to PlayStation Network. And then once you go to library, you can see a full list of your games. And then you could also see when exactly did you play those games. And then you can scroll back as far as the beginning of your Apple account. So you can see the very first game I downloaded was over 15 years ago. Finally, we have the search where it allows you to, well, search for new games. This is a brief overview of the Games app. I don't think it was worth Apple pulling resources just to create this app. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this with anyone who may appreciate this content. I want to thank all of you for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.